Well, here we are at the storage unit. I ended up seeing an auction that was posted online. It was a storage auction, and I said, well, I'll go down and check that out. And there was 12 units up for bid, and they went, I mean, they were going cheap, I guess. I don't know, with a lot of junk. So then this one came up, and you'll see in a minute why I bid on it, but probably shouldn't have. So yeah, anyways, I paid $270 for this unit right here, and then there was like 10% auction fees, so I got it for right around $300. And then there's a $50 deposit. You have to get it cleaned out, and we only got a few hours to do that now because I had to unload this truck yesterday. So we're gonna you'll see in a minute why I bought it, but I don't know, I don't think it was such a good idea. We'll see. Huh, those locks nice. All right, so we're gonna open this up and see what we got. Well, we might open it up. First, we probably. You sure it's the right one? Maybe we gotta go like that. What a weird latch. Whoa, there's more stuff in there than I thought. So, anyways, this is what I end up getting. Probably gonna regret it, but you can see why I got it. It's a toolbox right there. It's not a very fancy one, but, and also down there it looks like some kind of cabinet with a safe drawer, I don't know. And then flammable equipment here, but we only got a few hours to move this out, so we're probably just gonna move a lot of it out and we'll record it, and we're not gonna stop and look at every little thing we find. And who knows what the hell that thing is. But yeah, so this is it, and I don't know, we'll see how this turns out. Well, so we've started cleaning some stuff out of here. Now we're further in, and looks like more junk, but anyways, what is that? It looks like an old TV. Anyway, the reason I bought this unit was this toolbox, and I found these behind it, and so we'll open it up and look at it. Nothing that great right there, not that I can see. Nope, there's a bunch of junk. More of the same. Ain't looking good. They got some 22 shells. Maybe we'll find the firearm that goes with it. What is this? Vacuum gauge. The air pressure, I guess. Oh, we got a few sockets. Some mismatched stuff. Bunch of junk tools, actually. So that was a kind of a bust. I guess the box might be good. It's a little rusty on the bottom. Then I saw this and I said, wow, who knows what's in there? Because you can't look through things. You just got to look in. So we're gonna open this up now and see what we got. I don't know what's in here. Oh, the dud! A bunch of peeling yellow paint. Well, that's a bust. Nice. Well, we got a flammable cabinet, paint peeling off in it. Well, so far not so good. We'll open these drawers up a little and maybe the safe. Whoa. Oh my gosh. This isn't good. Wow. It even smells bad. Yeah, I don't know, for all the people who went to Storage Wars, Oh, does the safe open?
No.
So the safe doesn't open. Well, we'll get it out and try it again. But yeah, this is what you get in storage units, I think. Or maybe I just made a bad buy.
You made a bad buy.
Yeah, so look at this. We got a desk. We'll see what's in these drawers. What? Yeah, looks like they might have organized one thing in their life. Hey, look, a shark bite. Well, that ain't too organized. I don't even know. Bunch of junk. So far, no good. Oh, look at that fine-looking couch. We're a little further back. Still a bunch of garbage.
iPad.
She's going through the box here, and we found this box. Wow, the iPad's still in it. Imagine that. Wonder which one that is. Let's look at it. See if it's any good. Probably locked. Put a bunch of crap on it. Whew. Dirty. Yeah, I don't know. What's that? Oh, the pistol's gone. That would have been a bonus. We'll put that back in the box.
Put it right there.
Now, the pistol wasn't in the box, but the iPad was, surprisingly enough. Here's the stuff they don't show you on Storage Wars or the YouTube storage people. I mean, look at this thing. Now I gotta deal with that. I gotta haul that to the trash, pay to get rid of it, along with about probably 7/8 of everything I've found so far. So I think the storage unit business is a bust. Well, when I saw this thing back there, I thought it was one of them old TVs, but it sure isn't. That's some kind of, I don't know, that's what it is right there. But it's like an old record player. Look at this. Hey look, the 1970s wants its record player back. So you got a record player in here. Let's get that open. What a piece of junk. There's a record, like a record player stereo or something. Who knows, some of that old stuff might be worth something, but probably not. What an ugly looking thing. Well, we got all the stuff out of there and cleaned it. Surprisingly enough, it all fit on there. There it is. And yeah, this is definitely a bust. I mean, this stuff is garbage. It's gonna end up going mostly to the dump, but we're gonna bring it back to the barn and sort through it some, and we'll show anything of value if we find it. And yeah, anyways, hopefully we can get that safe open. All right, we'll see you later. Well, it's Friday morning, about a week later, and that last Saturday I got some stuff at a storage auction and ended up bringing it back here to my storage barn and kind of sorting through it. So look, you're looking at here is there's a whole pile of everything that's got to go to the dump, which was most everything in there. You know, I mean, some stuff could have been salvageable, but it's just so dirty and so nasty that, you know, cleaning it up would be a job. And then I don't know, I wouldn't want to sell that stuff to somebody. But anyways, yeah, some tires, bunch of junk, and then down, well, in the back, those drill presses are mine, and that brake riveter, that's mine too. But all the rest of the stuff in this bay is all the garbage from that storage unit. So here's the stuff that we're gonna sort through and keep some of. There's the safe right there. Maybe I'll try opening that Sunday. I haven't been too ambitious about it because I'm pretty sure by the condition of the rest of this stuff, there's nothing but, there's something in there, but it's probably nothing good. And then so this is the stuff we're gonna sort through. I don't know, see if there's anything of value in it. That stove came from somewhere else. That wasn't part of this storage unit. It's probably stove more valuable than anything in the storage unit. And there's a toolbox, a fish finder. I think I'm gonna throw that. That isn't worth anything. Anyway, and there's that thing. So here's what we left in the back of the truck on Saturday, because we sorted through a little bit of that, and there's nothing valuable. That freaking couch is nasty, and all the rest of the stuff's just nasty. That weird record player thing, I don't know. So this stuff's all going to the dump with all the rest of that stuff right in here. So we're gonna get all this stuff right here, right on the truck. Well, we got the stuff out of there. It's all gone. It's up in the truck. So yeah, we'll get headed over to the dump and see what that's gonna cost. We kept this little thing and that. And those drill presses were mine already. Video of this guy. We gotta wait in line, I guess, for this loader to get done before we can back up there. Stand by. Whew. You guys really need to have some smell-o-vision here. Camera. All right, well, I just got back in from paying, and it was $230.82 to get rid of it. It was 1.27 ton at 181.75 a ton. So yeah, well, I'll do all the math later at the end here, but yeah, I don't think Storage Wars is real. I was driving down the road and coming back from Casella, and I see this old Bridgeport sitting here for $1,000. Looks a bit rusted. Huh. That vise is all broken out right there. I don't know. It's missing some parts. Hard to tell what it is. No idea. $1,000. It's got the power feed on it. Let's see what that is. Need a fireplace insert. Well, anyway, so we're gonna this is the end of the storage auction saga. This safe right here was in that storage unit we bought. So it's about a week after we bought the storage unit. I'm finally getting around to opening up this safe. This came out of that storage unit. Everything else in that unit was just garbage, and so I don't have high hopes for what's in here. There is something in here. Hear that? I don't know if you can hear it. Sounds like paperwork and some, I don't know. Who knows? But from the rest of the stuff, I don't got much hope. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna go about opening this, but I'm sure whichever way I do it, somebody will have a better idea in the comments. But anyway, so I'm gonna get some stuff out and see if I can get this open. All right, so here's the safe. It's pretty cheap, pretty cheesy. So I mean, in order to break this open, I don't know if I can pry it. I got some tools. I don't know which ones I'll be using, but I don't know if I'll pry at this. It looks like you could just cut this hinge right along here, and I don't know if it would open, or cut this pin right through here and then drive the other end out. There's a few options. If worse comes to worse, I'll just break into the side of it or something with a splitting maul or a hammer drill. I don't know. I'm not a safe cracker. One thing I'm not going to do is get a stethoscope out and try listening to the dial. Probably going to start off trying to get this open with this. Well, then did do something. Not doing much. You can move the handle, but it doesn't seem to do much. So my thought is, that handle's a piece of garbage. I don't know. So you can move the handle all over. See that? Worthless. I don't know. What do you think? Well, that got rid of that thing. That's anticlimactic. Look at that. I blew that thing off and now I can open it. Well, that was no fun. You see that? I'd put my stuff in this safe. Stacks of cash. Well, let's see what's in there. Oh, doesn't look good. What the? So that's what's down in there. No idea what any of this is. I don't see any cash. Smells like mold. What the? No idea. I didn't really want to put my hands in here, but I guess. What do you think that is?
Pop pipe.
A pop pipe? You want to open it? Look at the hair all over that thing. Yes. Is that what it is? Why would you think that that thing was so valuable that it needed to be in a safe? That's not good. I don't know what that is. Things like a refrigerator. That's a cheap thing. Oh, somebody's hunting license. I don't know what that is. I don't know if I should show this stuff. Probably shouldn't show this stuff on video. Here, you want to open that? I'm sure there's nothing of value in that either. Oh, bust! Open, rip the bottom of it out. See? It's a bust. It's an absolute bust. So far, not good. So this is what we still got in here. No idea. It looks like somebody's ultrasound.
It is.
No. Well. I don't know. Here's something. Oh, whoa, bonus. I see something down in there. It might be worth a little money. You see that, guys? What's the, okay, there's something in here you want to look at. I don't know. I want all these pictures on camera. I don't know about how all that works. What the? Hey, there's a ring in there. What is that? Is there diamonds in that or are they fake? There's a couple. What are those? Anything you'd wear?
Looks like an Avon ring, but it has no markings.
So that one are probably a bust. Probably not worth anything. What's that?
Somebody thinks she's
Is
a
that
princess.
a wedding ring? Oh no. Oh, it's, I don't know. So probably a bust. This product contains nicotine. Well, I guess we really don't need that. Okay, so far not so good. I don't know what that white powder is. Probably don't want to know. Canine Advantix. So far mostly garbage. I don't even want to touch that. Nice! I should have gloves on for this. Get some gloves. That's like a pregnancy test. That's
Not
gross.
a pop pipe.
That's gross. See that? That's a crack pipe. Hunter Biden called. He wants his crack pipe back.
Oh.
That's ultrasound, but that thing looks like a pregnancy test, and I don't want to reach my hands in there no more. All right, whatever. Life. Yeah, that ain't no pop pipe. I hate to tell you. I don't know. Maybe it is. I don't know. I'm not a pop person. That's a pregnancy test or something. Don't touch it. That right there. There you go. There's the value. You got. Oh, there's a $5 bill. And this is an old $5 bill from the 60s. Oh, $10. I'll probably keep the old one. What are pictures? Oh man, what's that? Digital scales or something? Jeez, powder in here. Probably gonna die from Narcan. Not that white powder. Look out. Probably fentanyl. Where'd that white powder? Oh, it comes from right there, probably. What is that?
I don't know, I'm gonna open it. You get $10 back, huh?
Yeah. Well, that's an old one, but it's in kind of rough shape, so it probably isn't worth any much more. And if that's gold, I guess I can sell that. What are you dropping?
That stupid ring.
Is that gold, you think?
I have no idea.
What is it? Is it open? Doesn't look very valuable, but don't break the chains. They might. So, like I thought, the safe was a bust. This is what it might be of value. I don't know. Well, obviously the money's of value, but there's a couple rings and a quarter. But other than that, the thing was filled with junk, just like I thought. So, all in all, this storage unit. See, there's the stuff. We threw it all back in there. We're gonna take it down and throw it in a dump because it isn't worth keeping.
Oh.
Oh, and there's that. What is that? What the heck is that thing? Is that a piece of a stone? It is. But why does it look like? I guess that's a piece of a stone.
I don't
but
know.
Anyway,
Cooked on it?
so we're gonna. Why is that what that is?
I don't know.
We're gonna throw this stuff in the trash and keep that. And this storage thing has been a bust, a total bust, a waste of time and money. So I don't know. Anyways, that's the safe. It's surprisingly easy to open. I don't think I'd buy one of those safes.